Something big is happening, and most people haven't noticed it yet. People are slowly moving away from Google and starting to ask AI instead. And here's the scary part. If AI doesn't mention your brand, you basically don't exist.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
So this is where a tool called Frevana comes in. It's an AI agent platform built specifically for AEO, which stands for Answer Engine Optimization. Now, most tools out there either give you an AI visibility dashboard or help you create content. But even then, you still end up doing a lot of work manually, and the costs can quickly add up. Frevana is different. It works autonomously, almost like having your own AI marketing team running in the cloud, while still being incredibly easy to set up. You can get started in just a few clicks. And since it's local first and more affordable, it's actually practical for small businesses and individual creators too. Now, let's walk through how it actually works. First, open the Frevana website. You can scroll through and explore the platform, but it mainly follows 3 simple steps. Step 1 is prompt research. It analyzes what users are asking AI tools and why certain brands are winning based on millions of real AI queries. Step 2 is AI visibility monitoring. It tracks how your brand performs across the AI ecosystem in real time, making your visibility measurable. And Step 3 is auto content creation. It generates content that AI systems prefer and recommend, helping you get consistent results at scale. To get started, click the profile icon at the top and download the Frevana app. Once installed, you'll see a clean interface. The first step is to create a team. You'll have 2 options: the AEO team, which focuses on improving visibility in AI answer engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity, and the Rufus team, which is focused on Amazon's AI search system. For this tutorial, we'll go with the AEO team. Click on it, then enter your brand name, your product link, and your main keyword. For this test, we will use brand name Tesla and keyword Tesla Electric. You'll now see 3 main steps: site SEO audit, prompt research, and answer tracking. Below that, you can set the frequency for different types of content: SEO articles, product comparisons, research reports, and FAQ pages. Once everything looks good, click Launch Team. It'll take a moment to initialize. After that, there's one final step: connecting tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Since Frevana works locally on your system, it uses these tools for AI processing. And once you connected, simply click on the Done button, and just like that, your AI team is created. Now this is your main dashboard. At the top, you can see key metrics like your visibility score, generated content, and total tasks completed. In the Team Agents section, you'll find all the agents currently running, along with the ones scheduled to run next. Each agent is designed for a specific task, working together to improve your overall AI visibility. If you scroll down, you'll see your weekly progress. Right now, it's at 0 because we've just started, but this will gradually increase as your agents begin completing tasks. Below that, you'll find your brain visibility score, which also starts at 0 and updates over time as your system gathers more data. You'll also see sections like question tracking, generated content, and detailed reports. And if you want quick results, you can use the quick agents to run instant tasks without waiting for the full workflow. And now here you can see the AI agents have started doing their work. First, the agent opens the website tesla.com and begins analyzing the entire site structure. After that, it starts AI research based on the questions it generated earlier. So first, it opens Google AI, and then it moves to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, you can see it asking questions like, which Tesla model offers the best value? Then it collects the answer generated by the AI model. Now here's the interesting part. The system doesn't just stop at the answer, it actually captures the response and extracts the source information, basically the citations used to generate that answer. After that, it goes to Perplexity AI and repeats the same process. It asks the same question again, captures the response, and extracts the sources from where the answer is coming. And this process doesn't happen just once. The agent continues asking multiple sets of questions across these AI platforms, running deep research. The goal here is to analyze your brand's visibility, how often it appears, where it appears, and how frequently it's being mentioned in AI-generated answers. So by the time this process is completed, you get a clear picture of your brand's presence across different AI systems. Now let's fast forward and see what happens after some tasks are completed. As you can see, we now have 30 tasks completed, a visibility score of 57%, and 8 pieces of content generated. Your weekly progress has also jumped to 80%, showing that the system is actively working. If you want to track everything in detail, you can open the logs to see exactly what was done and when. Here we have a domain optimization report for Tesla.com. This includes a full site infrastructure audit with actionable insights to boost AI visibility. Inside the report, you'll find things like robots.txt analysis, technical improvements, and optimization suggestions, all explained in detail. You can download this report or copy it and directly apply it to your own website. Now let's move to the analytics section. Here you can see your brand visibility score, along with brand mentions and link visibility. There's also a visual chart that shows how your visibility is improving over time. On the side, you'll find competitor analysis. The system even identifies potential competitors automatically. For example, here it is detected over 150 competitors. You can click on any of them to compare their visibility scores against yours. Below that, you'll find question analysis, real questions people are asking about your brand, along with detailed AI-generated answers. This helps you understand how your brand is perceived across AI platforms. Speaking of platforms, you can also see your rankings across systems like ChatGPT, Google AI, and Perplexity AI. And finally, in the citation analysis section, you can see exactly where AI platforms are pulling information about your brand from, giving you full transparency into your visibility sources. Now, here's the interesting part. A lot of competitors charge around $3,000 per month just for these analytics features. So, what do you think about the analytics? Honestly, it already gives a very strong foundation to understand your AI visibility. Now, if your score is low in the team overview, don't worry, because this platform gives you a lot more content and opportunities to improve. For example, here you'll find a complete list of questions to target in AI search. These are not random questions. These are the exact queries collected from platforms like ChatGPT, Google AI, and Perplexity AI, the same questions users are actively asking. And these are the questions your system is tracking and optimizing for. Now, if you open the questions section, you'll see FAQs, frequently asked questions about your brand or topic. These are not just static questions. Each one comes with a detailed AI-generated answer. And this is where things get really powerful. If you go to the Publish section, you can directly publish these FAQs and articles to your subdomain. Now, you might be wondering, where does this subdomain come from? If you open the custom domain settings, you'll see two options, a Frevana subdomain and a custom subdomain. If you already have your own domain, you can connect it. Otherwise, you can simply use the Frevana subdomain provided by the platform. Here's the strategy. You take that subdomain link and add it to your main website's footer. This creates a connection between your main site and your AI-optimized content hub. Then, you start publishing these FAQs and detailed articles on that subdomain. The articles are already well-structured, in-depth, and optimized for AI understanding, so you don't need to create everything from scratch. For example, reports like Tesla electric cars analysis include user intent breakdowns, topic insights, and content strategies, all ready to be published. Once this content goes live, it helps improve your visibility across AI search platforms. And over time, your brand starts appearing more frequently in AI-generated answers. You can also use quick agents to run specific tasks instantly if you don't want to wait for the full workflow. So overall, this tool is not just giving you data, it's actually giving you a complete system to improve your AI visibility step by step. If you want to try it out, I'll put the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because I'll be sharing more practical AI tools and real-world use cases very soon.